Hi everyone. I'm often asked about mayonnaise. It's too difficult to make. No, it is not. Even the traditional way, dripping in your oil and slowly emulsifying the mixture, it's not that difficult. But this one, with the help of this one, is a game changer. Okay, so whereas with traditional mayonnaise, you use an egg yolk. With this, we used a whole egg. Okay, so in it goes. Wonderful. Little bit of mustard, Dijon mustard, preferably, but there we go. Quantities aren't exact. There you go. There's mustard going in. Little bit of vinegar. You can use lemon juice. For Dutch mayonnaise, we like vinegar. This is a white wine vinegar. And a little bit of salt and pepper. There we go. That one doesn't seem to be working. We will use some ready ground instead. We just love this. And then we're not going to have to slowly trickle this in with this method. We are going to add a fair amount of oil. How much? We may adjust later. But for now, let's start with that. And I'm using groundnut oil. You can use any vegetable oil. I wouldn't suggest to use olive oil. It's quite strong, unless you have a reason for doing that. And we are going to put our blender pretty much over the egg. Okay? And from there, let's make it noisy. We're going to blend and slowly pull up as the mixture amalgamates. Wish me luck. I think that can do with a little bit more oil. And we're going to repeat the process. With the traditional method, the more oil you add, although it sounds like liquid, the thicker your mixture gets. However, here we're using a whole egg. And I find that you can more or less adjust the thickness to the amount of egg. For some reason, maybe it's the egg white, but anyway, so we'll do the same thing again. We're going to blend and pull it slowly up. Looking good to me. So, let me show you. Perfect mayonnaise. Taste. Just to see if it needs anything else. It's quite sharp on the vinegar, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt. And then very briefly blend again. That's it. How quick is that? Very quick cheats mayonnaise. which I'll be using tomorrow in a smorgasbord recipe for. I know I didn't pronounce that right, but a recipe I'm doing for a little project in the Netherlands. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Cheese mayonnaise. See you next time. Bye bye.